Our tribe, you know, they were here historically. They were here before the Bison Range was formed. Who has been to the Bison Range before? Nice, welcome back. With your experience here, we try to incorporate our culture, language, and values for your visit and what you'll be seeing. We are currently at the Confederated Salish and Kootenai Tribes Bison Range in Moiese, Montana. The Bison Range has been here and established in the early 1900s, but in the last, since 2021, the Bison Range has been restored back to the Confederated Salish and Kootenai Tribes. A lot of people are very appreciative that we come in and we're, you know, putting a lot of money and effort and passion back into the park, and we have so many tribal members that, you know, have that same passion and are pretty proud of it being restored.
It really just makes me feel proud that we are back in control of the site, that our story is being told, and that we're responsible. And we take that responsibility really serious.
It's kind of off the beaten path, so you kind of have to get off the beaten path to get here. But once you do, we have visitors who come back year after year. It's very inviting, it's very calming, it's very peaceful. Having the Bison Range restored back to the tribe has been super important in helping us rebuild our identity, because going to a Western school on the reservation and being born and raised on the reservation, we didn't hear our history in the classroom. And so being able to have our history displayed, and not only for our own tribal members, but for a community, to show who we are as a people and the importance of, you know, everything around us. It's been amazing to be involved in it. Having the Bison Range restored back has given us so much more knowledge about our history, and it's just amazing how it just all blends together.